In this Kidsoft video, I'm going to step you through other items that are required for a child that will report through to Digital Hub. If we click on a child's details page and then we click on the kindergarten tab, you will see a Digital Hub tab. This information here is required to be submitted through to Digital Hub if applicable. When selecting yes for English language assistant required, there is an additional field for a language and it needs to be selected from the drop-down menu of the listed languages that have come through from Digital Hub. If a child has an additional need, when creating the additional need record, you will have to select one of the below options, whether it is the Evidence Assessment Indicator, NDIS Plan, or the Approved High Learning Support Needs application. You will not be able to save this record without selecting one of them. It is best to have more than not enough. So if you do have evidence and information for all three, please absolutely enter all of the details. Digital Hub would like it all. However, if you've only got one, that is okay. So for example, if we tick the evidence, you will need to fill out the diagnosed by, diagnosed professional roles, selecting from the drop-down list, and the date of diagnosis. If NDIS plan is selected, you will need to put the NDIS reference number, and the Approved High Learning Support Needs application, you will need to enter this specific number. Digital Hub only requires one additional need record to be submitted. So if the child has more than one additional need, you will only need to select this field for one. When creating the additional needs record, if the additional need type is not available in the drop-down menu, you can select the type Other. You will need to type in the custom additional need type. Remember, when submitting to Digital Hub, it is only the one record, and to submit to Digital Hub, you will need to tick Submit to Digital Hub. This will then make the checkboxes above mandatory to complete before saving the record. So let's recap on those additional fields that are required for the Digital Hub. So on the child's kindergarten tab, you have the Digital Hub drop-down fields, if applicable. If submitting to New South Wales Digital Hub, you will need to select one of these three options. Remember, more is better than just one. So if you've got that information, please add that in. And if you are submitting this record to Digital Hub, you will need to tick Submit to Digital Hub.